Making watercolor blocks. It's by the seaside. You can see here the ocean. And actually it's the Gulf of Mexico, but I've got some adhesive here. Printer padding compound. Okay, got it on online. X-Acto knife. Boatload of little clamps. I have a watercolor pad. I like the Grumbacher. You can use anything that you like. Watercolor paper. Okay, and you do need to make it so that on one side, when you glue, okay, that you have a gap, you know, right in somewhere, like no glue on one spot, because then you would be able to take an X-Acto knife and cut away the sheet. Okay, you got to be able to get in there. Okay, but in any case, what I am doing, taking a little bit of a dip here with the glue, a little bit. Okay, taking it over here, dabbing it on. Well, I've got it clamped on a couple of sides, here and here. Okay, putting it between two boards, clamping it down between two boards means that they're tighter together. Okay, I'm gonna dip it again. All right, so paint it. And then I do two layers actually. Okay, but you clamp it between two pieces of wood. This would be great because then you can, when you put the clamp on, the wood is really stiff. The paper can be kind of flexible, but between two pieces of wood, you clamp it down and it can be nice and tight. There. Get it all in there. Let's see. Over here, gotta get it in here. Here. And the reason why I say we do a couple of layers of it, some of the pads that you buy, professional pads, they're so expensive, first of all, and sometimes even the good ones like Arches tears away. And so, you know, that padding doesn't hold always. Okay, I'm going to put some more clamps on here. Okay. I don't want it so that it's on there close to the edge, and tighten it down. Okay. And I'll put a few there. Oops, got a little bit of my fingers in there, sorry. So we'll clamp this down with, you know, a few more in between. Let it dry. It dries in about half hour. If you have the same size pads, you can stack them, you know, 2 or 3 high, and then just use the X-Acto knife to, you know, split, you know, between the pads. I've done that before. And that way you have a nice watercolor block to work with, so you don't have to stretch your paper while you are on a tropical vacation. Have a great great day,